Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my channel, hello, my name is Carly. First thing you need to know about my channel is that I make a ton of home and organization videos, and it's not because I'm a natural born organizer. No, my friend, it's because I move all of the time. By the time you finish watching this video, I might have a new apartment. I'm actually going to show you guys how I organized my closet and the tips and tricks that I used into maximizing the smaller space in a city apartment. All of the tips I'm going to show you guys in today's video are construction free. Everything is inexpensive and rental friendly. If you guys like home and organization videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Let's get into my tips and tricks on how to organize a small closet. In a small closet, you definitely want to be maximizing all of the vertical space you can, and there are plenty of inexpensive ways that you can do it. On areas of the closet that might not otherwise get use, like the area around the door frame or areas in front of shelving where you can't add other shelves, I like to put command hooks, and then I can display things that I use every single day, and they're easily accessible but also look cute in the closet. I like to hang up my smaller purses on these command hooks because I like to switch my purses in and out depending on what outfit I'm wearing, so this way I can quickly grab a purse. Command hooks are super easy to put on the wall. You can find them at places like Target. They're very inexpensive and they don't damage walls. So in a rental property, this is a really great way to maximize your space. You could use command hooks to display things like purses like I did, or you could even use it for hats or jewelry. I personally love to use bins when utilizing the vertical space on top of a shelf because this way you can store a lot of things that you don't necessarily use every day. This is a great way to seasonally swap out your clothes. So in the winter time, that's where I'm keeping my swimsuits, and then in the summer I will switch them out. I purchased all of these bins from Target. They were very inexpensive. Pro tip is to buy your bins all in the same color. This really makes it look uniform and makes it appear even more organized. If you have things in mismatching colors and prints, it will feel a little bit busier and a little bit more cluttered. So if you're really going for that clean, organized look, get it all in the same color. Hanging shelves are a lifesaver if you don't have a built-in closet or if you can't build shelving. This really provides so much space vertically without taking up a lot of your hanging space. This unit is very inexpensive. You can find this at places like Target, Bed Bath & Beyond. I personally have the shorter shelving unit right now to maximize my closet space, but the longer shelving unit is also super helpful in case you don't have any built-in shelving at all. A way to maximize your shelving space in your closet is by adding more shelves, and you can do this actually very easily and inexpensively by buying a DIY shoe shelf. I bought this at Target. It was very easy to assemble and it fit right on top of my previous shelf, so this provided more vertical space where I could store my shoes. I think this unit was actually meant for the ground, but I personally just wanted to maximize the vertical space, so that's why I put it on top of my shelf, but you could definitely also store your shoes on the ground if you prefer it that way. If you are really trying to save space in a closet, velvet hangers really are a game changer. You really do save a ton of space, and also having one type of hanger throughout your closet looks so clean and organized and polished versus having like really big clunky plastic hangers. Another trick is to get a multi-tiered hanger, and there's so many different variations of hangers like this. This would be a great way to store things that you use very frequently but don't want to take up a ton of space, like accessories, belts, tank tops, scarves. One of my favorite storage tricks is purse-inception. In my bags, I like to put other bags, so I'll put smaller clutches and wallets inside of a bigger bag, and this way I'm really maximizing the space. A great way to display things like your riding boots or higher boots so they're not just like falling over on the floor and looking like a mess is to stuff your thicker socks into them. It's a really great way to display them, but it's also a great way to get a secret layer of storage. Because I don't have a dresser in my apartment, I built this shelving unit, and this is from the Container Store. I love this because it acts like a dresser in my closet. It provides a ton of drawer space, and it also has a shelf on the top of it, so you could store more things on top of this dresser unit. This was also less expensive than a dresser, and it's also smaller than a dresser, so it works pretty well in a bunch of different closet spaces. So I like that I can bring it to my different apartments, and I can generally find a use for it somewhere. My favorite way to make a small closet look organized is to color code. You guys have probably heard me talk about color coding so much, but I really think it just makes a space look so clean and put together. Also for me, it really does help me organize and keep my space organized, because while the color coding process might take a little bit of time, when you're actually going to find a shirt, you know exactly where it is, and when you're going to put it away, you also know exactly where it goes, so it's very easy for me once it's put in place to keep the closet organized. I personally love rolling racks, and I love to display my most worn pieces of the season or things that I'm really excited to wear on my rolling rack, and this is a great way to maximize space in your bedroom and also to display your favorite pieces and really get you excited about getting dressed in the morning. I personally put my favorite pieces out on a rolling rack, all with the same hanger, to make it look very clean and organized. My rolling rack is from the Container Store, and it's a little bit more on the high-end side for a rolling rack, but you can find even less expensive ones at places like Target that you can put together yourself. All right guys, that was my small closet organization tips and tricks video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I post new home and organization videos all the time, and I post new videos every single Thursday. If you guys want to see my home updates as they happen, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, because I always post my updates on my page or on my Instagram stories as they're happening. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye.